In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable two-factor authentication on Instagram. We'll move slowly through each screen so you know exactly where to click, and I'll also highlight a few things to keep in mind before you turn the security feature off. Start by opening Instagram and making sure you're logged into the account you want to change. From there, go to your main Instagram home dashboard. This is the usual home feed, where you see posts from people you follow. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a side menu with several options related to your account and app settings. In that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where all of your account and privacy controls live. Inside Settings, look for an option that says Account Privacy and click on it. Even though we're going to work on security and two-factor authentication, Instagram has grouped a lot of related options together under privacy and account controls. On the account privacy page, find and select Account Center. This is a central hub that Meta uses for managing settings across Instagram, and if you use it, other connected apps. Your two-factor authentication settings are handled from here. Once the Account Center opens, look for Password and Security and click on it. This is where you manage login methods, security checks, and anything related to keeping your accounts secure. On the Password and Security screen, select Two-Factor Authentication. This will show you a list of accounts connected to this account center that have two-factor authentication available. Now, click on the Instagram account name you want to manage. This will open the specific two-factor options for that account. On the next screen, you'll see the different methods of authentication that are set up, such as an authentication app, text message, or other methods. Click on the method that is currently turned on for you. For example, if you're using an authentication app, select that option. You'll see a toggle switch indicating that this method is active. Click on the toggle to turn it off. Instagram will usually show a warning explaining that turning this off makes your account less secure. To finish the process, confirm your choice by clicking on Turn Off. After you do this, two-factor authentication will be disabled for that method on your Instagram account.